In this video, I'll show you a quick demo of SalesGPT that is built on ChatGen using our new multi-agent application builder. SalesGPT understands the problem solution hypothesis along with the target audience information to find relevant contacts from your CRM and also research about them online so that it can create drip sequences content for your outreach. So when you first launch your multi-agent SalesGPT application, it first asks you for some information based on which the agents will start working. It asks for problem, solution, and also target audience, etc. I filled in the details and let me click on run. Now the agents shall start working based on the given information. For example, I've given the target audience as CEO, CMO, sales heads and managers in SaaS companies in US and UK regions with more than 150 employees. It asks if that is fine to go ahead to extract relevant contacts from the CRM. Let me say yes, please go ahead. It starts exporting relevant contact list from the Salesforce CRM. It then also goes to Crunchbase to find details about the companies of these opportunities. It also goes to LinkedIn to collect profile information about these contacts. And then it created a list for me. It also says that it mentioned the priority of these contacts in the list. Let me check the list. This contact CSV file is created on Google Drive with the Drive APIs based on the target personas that I've given before. It also adds two columns, priority and personalization. Priority is nothing but a relevant score by the AI agent based on the research it has done. For example, here it might have seen the terms like automation, etc. So it might have given it a higher priority. As I go through the titles, I see that there are CMOs, CAOs, and also sales managers, which I don't want in the list. So let me say remove sales managers titles from the list. You should ideally remove sales manager titles from the list. Let's see. Okay, it says remove sales managers from the list and please find update list here. Let me check the list. So this is updated list and I see that there are no sales managers. I'm good with the list. Let me say please go ahead. And it says now that I have contact list, here are the experiments that I want you to launch as outbound campaigns. So it says first experiment is to test the problem one, and then the second is to test all problems at once. It also gives you the reason of why it has formulated these experiments. It seems to be relevant problem compared to others, maybe problem one. Okay, yeah, but I don't want to test all problems at once. Rather, I want experiment 2 to be testing only problem number 2. So let me type I don't want to test all problems at once. Rather, I just want to test problem 2, which is takes time to create content for drip sequences. So let me send this. It should ideally revise and send me the revised experiment 1 and experiment 2. Yeah, it says sure, here are the two experiments, and then experiment 1 and experiment 2 it revised. Let's say please go ahead. It says getting info from knowledge tool. So this knowledge tool retrieves information about the company, the product, and then case studies, etc. and then creates the content from that knowledge. So it says here are the drip sequences. It made content sequences for experiment 1 and experiment 2. So if you look at the experiment 1, it says transform your sales pipeline with next gen efficiency. It created day 1, day 3, day 7, more value email, etc. So if you see day 7 more value email, it says 40% increase in demo bookings. That came from knowledge tool. Let's go look at experiment 2. It says elevate your email strategy. And then it again gave us day 1, day 3, etc. You can also expand this further by executing more agents, like an agent which can execute these generated drip sequences onto your outreach tool, or an agent which can reply back to your emails, especially when the customer's email is about booking a meet. So it can automatically reply back, check the slots, and then book meetings between the sales and the customers. If you're interested, please join our waitlist. We'll roll it on first come, first serve basis. Thank you.